Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I am your dietitian. So, I've been doing few videos for women especially from a long time. But I got some messages and requests to make special video for men. That's when I've decided to make this video, which is all about the nutrition tips for men, especially who are working from home. So, why late? Let's get in to understand more about it. Firstly, meal planning. The meal planning has to be done in a right way. Think that you are at office and plan your breaks, plan your schedules for your food, everything properly. And make sure there is a portion control there. When you go to office, you limit your intake as per your tiffin box. But when you are at home, there will be no portion control. So make sure you are going to keep a control on your portion intake. As well as it is really very much important to eat only when you are hungry, but not whenever you feel like eating. And the most important thing in meal planning is it is really required to do research on healthy recipes. That's when you will know what all healthy recipes are there and you can plan it very easily with whatever the items are available in your home. So, do your meal planning right. The second most important thing which you have to keep in your mind is snacking. That's where most of us are going to do many mistakes, because we would be tired as the day is ending and we feel like eating something which is, tasty and palatable to our tongue and all. But this is not right. You have to choose your snacks right. As don't order foods from outside. It is better to prefer the home cooked snacks. If you don't have time to prepare these snacks, try to choose the easy way of preparing the snacks. Like you can choose some kind of vegetable sticks, salads, sprouts, or kind of murmura chaat, chana chaat. These kind of easily preparable recipes will not waste your time, and at the end of the day, they are even nutritious too. So, snacking right is really very much important. The third most important thing which most of us have to remember is overeating. And most of us does it without our knowledge. So, try to avoid the caloric dense foods and choose some kind of a low caloric foods instead of high calories. And also, if you don't have time, try to prepare your meals well in advance so that you don't have to search for some kind of a high caloric and easily available foods and just binge on it. So, prepare your meals in advance and eat healthy. And the most important thing is, whenever you feel hungry, whenever you have a kind of hunger pangs, you just try to search your fridge, you search your cupboard, and whatever you find it, you just go and grab it. So just don't do that. Instead, if you have that kind of habit, try to store the healthy foods in your cupboards and fridge so that you will not have these kind of high caloric intake whenever you are having this hunger pangs. So remember not to overeat. Let me give the fourth quick tips on this, where try not to choose packaged foods. Instead, prefer the whole grains, whole foods like fruits, vegetables and all. And also try to limit your salt and sugar intake. Try to stay hydrated. Whenever you're sitting in your workstation, try to keep one bottle of water there and keep sipping it. And when you keep sipping it, our body automatically has this talent, has this way where when you sip more water, it asks for more water, and that's how you keep drinking. So that way you are also staying hydrated. And the most important thing is Keep a check on your oil intake. There is no wonder oil kind of thing which helps you to stay fit. All the oils are really very good because each oil contains each different micronutrient which is really very much important. Try to keep changing the oil and make sure you have only half a liter to 3/4 liter of oil per person per month. So try to keep the check on your oil, and this way you will be really staying fit and perfect. I hope you liked my video on the steps for working men. These can be even followed by women too who are working from home. So try and concentrate on all the tips which I have given you in this video. I will be coming with an amazing video next week. And the most important thing, if you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. And you can also follow me on different social media handles like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter too. I'll come up with an amazing video. Till then, don't forget to stay home, stay safe and always be happy. Bye-bye. Thinking about what food to eat, what not to eat? For all these kind of diet queries and along with the diet consultations, you can contact me Apoorva at Apoorva's Diet Studio, and the number is given in the description box below. For any kind of weight loss, weight gain and all the therapeutic diets, you can surely contact me.